Oh hi, welcome back. Let's create this thick 3D outline for any logo in Cinema 4D, a 3D modeling program. So we'll be using several spheres that will act as some beads that will be attached to a string. See, the spheres go along this string or the outline of the logo, just like so. Let's make one. Import any Adobe Illustrator file that has a logo, for example this light bulb icon from the logo of Tong Tips, just like so. And then once you've got the outlines, you hold the left click button to click on the sphere object to make a bead. Decrease the radius to, let's say, 6 centimeters so that it's not too large. You can increase the segments as well. Right click on the sphere and then click on Connect Objects and Delete so that it's editable. To duplicate the sphere and make like duplications of the sphere that will be going along this logo path, which is the outlines of this logo, click on Cloner. Drag the sphere object into Cloner. Click on Cloner and then change the mode into Object. Drag the logo outline path into Object, just like so. And then change the distribution mode to Step. And then when you decrease the number of steps, the beads keep on being duplicated, and there are plenty of them. Let's decrease the step amount to 1 centimeters so that it looks smooth, just like so. Now you're done making the 3D outline for this logo in Cinema 4D. Right click on the cloner and then click on Connect Objects and Delete so that it's entirely editable, just like so. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But from me, it's good day. Ciao.